What is VASER Liposuction? See, the VASER Liposuction is a very advanced tool for performing the liposuction procedure without creating a much pain and discomfort to the patient. Before going for the how does it work and how it affects the fat cells, we'll go to the history, how that VASER technology developed. In mid-1950s, they used the ultrasonic energy for removing the dental calculus. See, what they do is they fill the cavity with some water and they pass the ultrasonic energy there, so it selectively removes only the calculus. So because of using the ultrasonic energy, they found that it reduces the operator's fatigue and less pain to the patient, and because it don't disturb the nearby normal nerves and the blood vessels. After using this from the dental procedures, other specialties also started using this ultrasonic energy. Basically the neurosurgery, even wound care, removing the debris from the wound, and ophthalmology, orthopedics and multiple other specialties have used the ultrasonic energy in the treatment purpose because it's very tissue selective. Then comes the first generation ultrasonic energy machines for liposuction. This first generation ultrasonic devices have a solid cannula, 4 to 6 millimeter in diameter, and this ultrasonic energy comes in a continuous manner. So a lot of practical difficulties and a lot of complications when they started using these first generation devices, because it's a blunt tip, you can't suck the fat simultaneously, and it's because the continuous thing, skin burn and a lot of side effects have noted. Then the second generations machines were introduced, ultrasonic machines were introduced, where it is a 5 millimeter cannula with a 2 millimeter hollowness inside. But this also has a disadvantage because the lumen is only 2 millimeter. So the suction power is not that much, so that it's not effectively used in the liposuction procedure. Then comes the third generation. The third generation ultrasonic energy devices are called VASER. What is VASER? Its expansion is vibration amplification of the sound energy at resonance. So how does this VASER helps in the fat emulsification and liposuction? So a lot of people think that, even a lot of doctors think that the VASER will destroy the fat cells. Actually not. See, what we are doing during the liposuction, we are injecting the tumescent fluid. The tumescent fluid go and surround the fat cells. So the fluid has the air bubbles inside. So what is ultrasonic energy does, when we are introducing the ultrasonic energy inside, it creates a cavitation in the fluid air bubbles. So the air bubbles will increase in size, and from the small air bubble it becomes a big air bubble, it increases in size and bursts, again it becomes a small air bubble. This multiple times this process happens, the cavitation process happens. Because of that, the fat becomes loosened and easily liposuctionable. So normal blood vessels and these nerves have tight tissue junctions, so that the nerves and the blood vessels are not affected by the cavitation process at all. So your nerves are intact, blood vessels are intact, only the fat is loosened, and it's easily suctionable now without damaging the blood vessels and the nerves. So this is the concept of VASER. Since the fat is not destroyed, this is how the VASER works. Because of this, the patient's pain is less, blood loss is less, the skin tightening, skin retraction is good. So lot of advantages happened because of this VASER technology. So definitely VASER is a very good tool for liposuction, but VASER alone won't give the results. The man behind the machine also matters.